Hey guys, what's up? It's Ralphin here, back with another Ralphin video. This time we're on the Gallup sub. As you can see down there, I'm currently chasing a BNSF intermodal train on the approaching Gallup, New Mexico. There he goes. Actually, it's a Z train. This might be the ZBARCHI or something like that. I don't know where he's going. Could honestly be going anywhere. And here comes his power. Looks like he's got a NS third out and what looks like a, can't tell. Yeah, but he's got power. He is hauling. He's going about 65 right now.
We're going 84. He's going faster than that, Frank. He's going like 75 miles.
Yeah, 75. Track speed is like 70. I think it's 80 for Amtrak and like 70 for standard freight. And alright, here comes the power. Looks like you might have a orb on it possibly somewhere up in the lead, but I don't know. He is moving, that's for sure. Alright, looks like he's got a Ferromex third out, yep. Actually, it's a Ferromex duo. Nice. Ferromex Ace duo with a BNSF ES44 on point. Alright. There it goes. Okay, put that down. Trying to get in a horn show here, but it's really windy. Anyways, there he goes. BNSF intermodal rolling through the Gallup sub. Anyways, hope you guys like. Ralphin out.